Now, as I preach through this chapter, it's kind of charming to put ourselves in the place of the sheep, isn't it? I was that lost sheep that Jesus went and rescued and put me on his shoulders. People paint, paintings of that kind of a thing. It kind of warms your heart. Yeah, the shepherd came and got me. Or I can put myself in the place of the lost coin. Yeah, I was that shiny little piece of silver that Jesus picked up. Went and grabbed me off the floor, just like the woman, picked me up and restored me. But I wonder if you're willing to put yourself in the place of this lost boy. It's not quite as flattering. I was a fool. I was so arrogant and so headstrong. You couldn't tell me anything. I was like this boy. You couldn't tell me how to live, where to go, or what to do. And I'm talking about Tim Hunt Jr., I dishonored my father to his face. I took his stuff and I ran away from him. And you know why I did it? Because I didn't want to be with him. I didn't want him. I had no affection for him, no desire for him. And while I was away from him, I wasted my life. Can you relate to that testimony? When I was out and away from him, I wasted my life, just like this boy. So I can say I'm the lost sheep that he found. I'm the lost coin that he picked up. But I challenge you tonight, take the next step and humble yourself and realize you're the brazen, recalcitrant, disobedient son. You're the boy. If you're a Christian, this is your story. And I am aware that could have been the end of the story. That could have been it. Jesus could have said, there was once a father who had 2 sons, and this younger son was arrogant and headstrong. He spent everything. The end. That could have been the end of the story, and we could close it right now in prayer and all go home feeling bad about ourselves. But praise God, that's not the end of the story. We move into stage 2.